Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Audition and creating a multi-track session set to the correct sample rate and bit depth. This prevents resampling artifacts later. Make sure your mic is selected in Preferences Audio Hardware, then enable input monitoring so you can hear levels. Arm the track you'll record to and set the input channel. This initial setup ensures clean routing and avoids clipping. Once done, do a quick test take to confirm levels sit around -12 to -6 dB. You record the full take after your levels are confirmed, focusing on consistent mic distance to reduce plosives and proximity bass. Once recorded, trim the start and end in waveform view and split out obvious mouth noises or long breaths. This speeds later processing. Use effects noise reduction capture noise, print from a silent section, then apply reduce noise with conservative settings to avoid box sound. Make sure to preview changes. Incremental reductions preserve natural tone. You finish by applying subtle reverb and a hum to remove room buildup, then shape clarity with a gentle high-shelf EQ and a low cut at about 80 Hz to remove rumble. Add light compression, start with a 3:1 ratio, and use makeup gain so peaks hit around -1 dBFS. Normalize before export. Export to WAV or your target format. If noise, reopen the original take and recapture a noise print. If artifacts appear, reduce noise reduction amount and repeat, ensuring you preview each tweak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.